My name is Claire Buss. I'm originally from Peterborough, but I've lived in Barking the last 6 years. I decided to enter the pen to print competition on a whim, really. I walked past the library and saw a poster for Writers' Workshop and thought, yeah, I'd like to do that. That'd be great. Something I used to do, like to get back into it. And I got in touch with VEENA and it was full. So I thought, oh, okay, never mind. Then about a week later, she sent me an email to say, oh, we're going to run another class because it's been so popular. Are you still interested? So I could not answer that email quick enough. But yes. Came along and we were given these leaflets about the competition. So I didn't really know there was a writing competition to start with. Got through to the final 8, which was amazing. Somehow managed to write a book in the space of about 3 months. And then obviously came through second place with the competition, which was amazing. Writing's something I've always loved doing, but I stopped doing it for various reasons. And then I thought, oh, I'd do a blog. So I started to write a blog, and long story cut short, I got fired on the back of a blog post. So then I decided maybe writing isn't a good idea anymore. And left it alone for a couple of years, and then, as I say, saw the thing at the library, and I was nervous. I was really nervous. I was really scared. We had a mentor for the competition, and my mentor, Ian Eris, was brilliant because he spent the first 2 or 3 mentor sessions just calming me down, really. We didn't do any editing. We just drank coffee and talked about books because I was so nervous and so frightened that I was going to get into trouble again for writing because of what happened before. So I had to get over that hurdle, and I honestly did not expect to come anywhere in the competition. So to find out that I came second was just amazing. And then when we learned that the prize was to include the printing and publishing of our book, to me, I just thought, oh, I can't say no to that. I just thought, I can't miss up that opportunity. Might not come along again. And since having gone for it and having done it, it's given me a bit more, I don't know, excitement to write something else and to go to push it forwards and to say, yes, I am a writer. Yes, I do have a book. Yes, I am writing something else. It makes me feel passionate about something again, which I think when you're a mum, a stay-at-home mum, sometimes you don't have a lot of passion in your life, apart from your children, of course, but it's good. It's good to have something else. That's mine.